Norlett 1002 BS in its original box. This is pretty cool, but let's get it out of the box and have a closer look at it. Oh yeah, baby. All right, look at this thing. Look at the colors on this. Isn't that amazing? What the hell is that? It's like a weed whacker. Was this a thing in the 70s? Wow, that is just the oddest thing. There's a little oil hanging on the plug there. That's interesting. All right, so the first thing that I want to do with this engine is get the spark plug out, and then I want to get the bore scope, stick it in there and see what I can see. If there's like any rust on the cylinders or anything like that, and then we'll just take it from there. I like how the spark plug still has paint on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's never been fired. I don't know why I'm so fascinated by this, but look at that. Look at that. Hope you guys can see. You can see the valve in there and the cylinder wall, and everything looks real clean. All right, so we'll just put that back. And as you can see by the cobwebs here, I haven't tried turning this thing, but shouldn't be a problem. Obviously it's got no gas, it's also got no oil in it. So maybe we should put a little bit of oil in there. And it said we should fill it until we can't fill it no more, so I guess we'll just do that. We'll just gently now fill this up. I'm gonna go ahead and say that that's just fine right there. Look at that. I have never filled a Briggs & Stratton that clean before. I'm just gonna go ahead and check where the drain plug, make sure that's tight. Yeah, that's tight. So we got oil. Now we need fuel. Yeah, we don't need to fill it all the way, do we? All right, so we got some gas in there. Let's see what's gonna happen now. All right, guys, first start ever for this 1979 Norlett safety. Still got the cobwebs on there. What if it starts on the first pull? That would be funny. That would be ridiculous. Nope. Nope. Ha-ha! That is cool. Awesome. That noise is just the weird little fin sound under here. All right, it runs. Tomorrow, we're taking it out for a little test drive. I thought we would compare the Norlett with my Stiga, the normal everyday cutter, and see how it does. 1970s technology against a 2022, I think it is. I'm most curious to see how that disc cuts the grass, because I don't believe that will do a good job at all, but I guess we're gonna find out.
So the Norlett is letting me down a little bit. Doesn't want to start. Pull the sparker off. See if there's anything up with that. Too much fuel. So I turn the air fuel mixture screw in a little bit. Hopefully that'll do something. Anyway, that kind of concludes that little project. Engine starts, engine runs, cuts, even though it kind of rips the grass out instead of cutting it. Anyway, if you want to pick this thing up, you're interested in this kind of thing, vintage lawnmowers, I'll be putting this thing up on Marketplace, and I can drop a little link below. Obviously, I'm gonna put it back in the original box, clean it up, and whatnot. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.